Hey everybody, this is Dustin Swinderman here, product director of the Open Range 3X product line. Today, I'm going to show you guys the all-new 393. This is an awesome floor plan. It's going to have 5 slides and a triple bedroom. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off in the front and we're going to work our way around the back, and I'm going to show you all the features and benefits on this unit today. So first off, as we're moving around the front, this is going to be a fiberglass painted front cap. It's going to be a base coat clear paint, just like you would see as an automotive grade paint on any car or vehicle out there. What this is going to do is going to make it easier to clean. It's going to be able to buff, and it's just going to help prevent road and dirt grime from sticking to the front of that cap. As we're working in this area also, we've got the Lippert Rhino box. This is just going to be a little more compact. It's going to help with your turning radius. Just a little lighter design, a little bit cleaner and easier to use when it comes time to hook up to your truck. Now, as we work our way to the front here, you're going to see a few things. We are all set up in every 3X for generator prep, so if a customer does want to go to a generator, it is possible on our product line. It's going to be a 5500 Onan generator. Now, other things as we're looking in this area is you're going to see our JT Strong Arms. What they're going to do is they're going to allow you to have more stability once your jacks are down. So this is an electric stabilizing system. Once this jack system goes down, you actually tighten these up, and what it's going to do is stabilize the unit by almost 40%. And what that's going to do is keep the shaking. It's going to keep the inside a lot more stable than what you'd see typically on electric or hydraulic jack system. So it's definitely a nice feature. A lot of guys add this aftermarket. We do it stock for you. So also in this area, of course, is going to be battery boxes. This is going to allow us for multiple batteries. You can actually stack up to 3 in here on one level. Some guys have the capability of putting another row so they can go a little bit higher than that. Now, as we're looking up here, again, storage is key. Guys, this is a family coach, and what we like to do is give you plenty of places for storage. So if you're not having a generator, this is storage, and then on top of it, you've got a whole tray across the top for storage. So lots of storage on this product, and as we get to the inside and we look at the size of this unit, you're going to realize why we need to have all this storage in this product. So working our way around here, you're going to notice on the side of the coach, these are going to be our Furrion side camera preps. On this coach, you're going to have the prep for 3 cameras. So you'll have one on each side of your lights and a prep for the rear camera on this product. Just nice, right? Safety is key for you, the customer. And we want to make sure that when you're traveling with your family, you're not going to have any worries. So working our way through here, it's going to have dual 30-pound gas tanks on it, okay? You're going to have one on the door side and one on the off-door side. We like to do this just because on the door side and the off-door side, so that you're only removing 1 tank. It's going to make it a little bit easier by just pulling 1 tank per side. One of the other great features about our 3X product is going to be our pass-through storage. This is a drop frame, which is going to allow you about 25% more storage than what you see in non-conventional drop frame units. This is going to give you more space, more room to stack stuff up, and as you can see, the doors are massive, so when you're putting in chairs, foldable chairs, tables, stuff like that that you typically travel with, you're not going to have to force it into a little tiny small door on the product. So we're going to give you something that you just don't see on the other lines. Now, small features on this product line that a lot of people don't realize and that are important key features is that we do dual handles here, okay? What does that mean to you as a customer? It means that this is going to create a better seal. Okay, you're going to have a latch on this side and a latch on that side. Typically, when you're looking at other conventional brands, you're going to see a single latch here, which allows a little more space and a little more room for an opportunity for water to get in. Guys, we get rid of that right away just by doing the dual latch. The universal docking station, pretty standard on our units. The way this is set up, you've got your cables, your satellites. Of course, what's really nice about the 3X product is that you're going to have dual outside showers. So not only do you have one on your off-door side, when we make our way around this coach and go to the other side, you're going to see another one. So we're doing that just for the convenience factor, right? Black tanks, gray tanks, city fill is all going to be in this one area. We're just making it convenient for you, the customer, to be able to get in here and access that stuff. We're going to have the 65,000 BTU Suburban water heater. This is tankless. You know, one of the keys to this is that our tankless water heater, we do have a water filtration system that is attached to this. What I like to explain to a lot of people is that it's kind of like a coffee maker. If you don't have a water filter system, what's going to happen is there's a good chance or opportunity that your water heater is going to get clogged up with debris, calcium, iron. And what we're going to do is offer you the standard water filter that is hooked up with this unit, as you can see right here. And that comes right from us from the factory, so you're not going to have to plumb it in on your own. Small little things for convenience. A lot of manufacturers don't do this, but what we do is give you access to the rear of your refrigerator from the outside. Okay, this is going to be 1 for cleaning, 2 for when you have an ice maker. It helps you and makes it a little bit easier for you to drain the lines. And 3, if you ever do have a technical issue with your refrigerator, you're going to have an access door to the back to get to it all. So we all know refrigerators get dusty and dirty over time. What this does is allow you to clean it up very simple and easy. Making our way down the back side of this, you're going to notice this is going to be 3 slides on this off-door side wall. This is a big unit, and this thing's going to be right around 45 feet from tip to toe. As we get to the back, as you can see, we got a built-in ladder. This is a fully walkable roof. And what's great about our roof system while we're talking about roofs is that this is going to be a plywood deck built on this. Along with that, it's going to be a PVC membrane. It's a lifetime limited warranty. The PVC membrane has a lot of benefits to it. One of the big benefits is it's going to be a little bit slicker, but what that's going to do is it's going to let it reflect more sunlight. So it's not going to absorb as much heat when you're out traveling. 2, it's going to clean easier because it's a little shinier, a little more slick than what you typically see on some of the other roof membranes out there. And one of the final things about this PVC roof is, let's say something does happen. You get a hole or a tear. This is easily patched with a PVC roof membrane patch that is simple as using PVC cement to patch it. Instead of patching it and putting that nasty glue all over the top, you're going to be able to clean this patch up and put it on there nice and look like nothing ever happened. As we look at the back of this coach, you know, one unique thing about the 3X is that we do offer the hitch. What this hitch is going to be for is for an aftermarket bike rack, storage, stuff like that. This thing is capable of holding 300 pounds of stuff on the back. So a lot of people use this for a kayak storage. Again, bikes, anything like that. Making our way around the sides, you know, as you can see, one thing we do here, we've got 3, the fold down steps. They're going to be solid steps in the rear. So we're not just doing it in one place. We're going to do it back here in the rear. As we work our way forward, you're going to notice we do in the front also. One of the really nice things about this 3X, guys, is that we're doing the squared off windows. As you can see here and here. The squared off windows are going to be a little more automotive. A little bit sleeker. They're going to have that design that we see on a lot of people's homes nowadays. And from the outside, if you look into this window and get a close-up, you're going to see it as reflective foil on the inside. So we do have built-in shades in these windows, but what you're going to see from the outside is a reflective foil. On the inside, of course, we'll see what they look like when we get in there. The 2-tone skirt metal is really a nice feature that we do run on our product lines here at 3X. Just looks clean. This is 45 off. It's going to be a little more stable than a rounded corner, so you'll have less wave going down the highway. Now as we look to the front here, solid steps, 4-entry step. One of the nice things about this also is we've got the MORryde pull-out handle, the safety rail. This safety rail actually, as you can see, is going to be all the way at the bottom of the step, so you're going to be able to walk from the bottom to the top of this unit and have something to hold on to. Moving into some of the more fun spot of this unit, of course, would be our outdoor kitchen area. Okay, guys, this is going to be a 24-inch griddle from Suburban. It's very easy to use, very convenient. You know, when it's not in work mode, slides in, out of sight, out of mind. When you're ready to go, of course, there it is. Looking also in this area, you're going to see we have a refrigerator here, a little mini fridge. This is going to be 110. Definitely a nice feature to have when you're outside camping, especially with it being under an awning and on your camp door side, which you don't see all the time. Lots of times it'll be in the back of the coach. This is where all the action's at, typically in the front. So we want to make sure this is where everybody's at. Again, like I said earlier, on that side we have an outside shower, hot and cold. We got the exact same setup here on the inside of this pass-through storage. So not only do you have water, hot and cold on the back, on the door side, you have it on the off-door side also. One of the things we're going to have here is going to be our central vacuum system. Not only is it convenient to have inside, but this hose actually hooks up on the outside, and this is where you're going to clean that out. So a nice feature, something you don't see a lot nowadays in RVs, but we're still doing that in our 3X fifth wheel. Kind of walking on and going around, one of the things I would like to show is a little bit before we go inside is the suspension on the 3X. We're a big believer in good axles and safety. And as you look down at the bottom side of this, you're going to see the Ultrek 4000 MORryde system. What this thing is going to do is dampen the vibration. Lots of times over time, vibration, as we all know, can be a big problem when it comes to screws coming loose, trim falling down. What our goal is to dampen that as much as possible. And as we look in that area, you're also going to notice that we're going to have the wet bolts. That means they're fully degreasable with brass bushings. Along with that, it's going to have the thickened 1/2-inch shackles in there. So the shackles are a little bit heavier than you would see on a standard system out there. And then to top it all off, of course, we've got our Dexter axles. They're going to be 8,000 pounds on this unit. Along with the 8,000 pound axles, you're going to have J-rated tires. So no lack in the fact of safety when it comes to the tires, the axles, and then the braking system, of course, on this is going to be the Dexter Never Adjust brakes with the Easy Lube hubs. So safety is key, and that is one of the main factors we concentrate on a 3X product line. Now, let's take our way on the inside. All right, we're inside the 393. And again, I want to tell you, this is the only 3-bedroom fifth wheel on the market. So with that being said, there's got to be a lot of seating. So that's what we did in this floor plan. So as we kind of look over here, we're going to see that it's got 6 individual seats. All 6 of these, which is great, all recline on this remote or on the side. And one of the other nice things about this is it still does have the theater seat flip down option. So you're going to have 2 cup holders, 110 plugs, USBs. As we kind of look into this area, you're going to notice tall ceilings. We've done a really good job about this being open space on this unit. It's going to make you feel a little more wide open, more like home. And that's really what we designed the 3X, is for it to fit your needs and to feel like you're at home. We talked earlier about on the exterior about the windows with the reflective shades on the back. As you can see from the inside, it has a very residential squared off look. These shades are built into the window, so very easy to use, simple to pull up and down, just gonna be clean and really nice. These are large windows, so you're gonna get a lot of natural light in. They all open, and again, you're supposed to be camping, right? We want you to enjoy that outdoor weather. So, making our way into this area, we're gonna go to the back, and I'm gonna show you why we have 6 seats is gonna be for this awesome bedroom, okay? We're gonna come down here, and this is a step down. So, bedroom 1, this is going to be one of our sleeping areas. This is going to be a bifold couch. This is going to actually fold into a sleeping area. And not only what's nice about this is that it is a cloth furniture, so it's going to be a little nice, a little more finished off. But as you get in this area, you're going to have an area for a desk for working. It does have a backer for a TV mounting, 110 outlets, USBs and USCs on this side. As we look here, you're going to have closet space, dual doors. Along with that, you're going to have 3 drawers, of course, and these are decent sized drawers on every one of this. And as you look on this side, of course, it's going to be mimicked to the other side, right? What's nice about this is a walk-through bedroom area. So as we're walking through, you're going to have a hidden pocket door right here that allows you to close this space off between the first bedroom and the second bedroom. And as we walk around here, you're going to look, and this is going to look almost identical to the other side. Desk, 110 outlets, of course, TV bracket mounting. Same dresser, same drawers, overheads, of course, above your countertop here. Now, what's different about this side is it's going to have your bifold couch that turns into a bed, but you're also going to have a loft bed, which is up top, as I'll show you and demonstrate right here. So, additional sleeping space. You know, one thing that we do on our 3X product lines that you don't see on a lot of other brands, guys, is we're going to run a 3-inch mattress. You get to a lot of these guys, what they're going to do is they're going to spend a little less money and they're going to go with 1.5 inches. We know that people have to sleep on this, so we want to make sure that it's going to be comfortable. Now, one of the other great things, once we work our way out of these 2 full bedrooms back here, is going to be our second full bath, okay? You're going to have, of course, a tub, a full shower, and what's really nice back here, it's going to be glass doors, so it's going to be, again, finished off a little more residential in this area. Other things that are great is a lot of times there's not a lot of ceiling height. And as if I were to get into this tub, you would see plenty of ceiling height above me for those taller kids, taller adults that want to use this area. It's just going to be a little more roomy, a little more convenient to use than your typical second bathroom unit. We didn't cut short anywhere here. We're still running solid surface, of course, in the back of this unit at your sink. We do solid surface because it's non-porous. It's not going to deteriorate over time. It's not going to get water. It's not going to peel on you like a lot of the pressed tops that you see in a lot of other brands out there. So what we're doing is we're using a little bit higher quality material that we know is going to last. Small things that a lot of people don't notice that we do in our units. We finish them off from the factory. We have towel holders. We got big bar holders. If you look around the corner here, we're going to have 2 sets of hooks. Other nice factors here is this is going to be a medicine cabinet that's fully enclosed and usable. So this is going to feel like a residential bathroom just like you do at home. And on top of it, with it being in the back of this coach, this is your second entrance to your unit. And along with it being your second entrance, this is a bathroom that they can use that's easily accessible from the outside. So now that we've seen the back of this area in the back bathroom, let's take it and move to the front and check out the kitchen. As we're looking at this, one thing is you're gonna have a full-size loft. So again, plenty of sleeping space. This product line has no lack in that. Moving our way around, again, we still have a nice kitchen. One of the great things about this is your 50-inch TV with a built-in infotainment system. Of course, 5,000 BTUs coming out of your fireplace. And one of my favorite spots in this coach in the kitchen is gonna be our massive hidden pantry, guys. Look at all that space. It's got 110 plugs, storage on both sides of the walls. And again, you're gonna be able to bring everything you need with your family on those longer camping trips. GE residential appliances. It's gonna be a 4-burner stove, a full oven, GE microwave, along with our GE residential refrigerator. One of the really cool things about this is that it's gonna have ice and water, okay? Some of the things that I like to talk about in this area is gonna be our bar stools. They're gonna come with 2 bar stools over here, along with 2 seats. So plenty of seating for your family on this island. This is a really neat island, having the waterfall section that you see in the residential side. But as we kind of move towards this way, you're gonna notice hardwood doors along with residential slow close hinges. It's gonna have our all-in-one sink. It's gonna have your vegetable rinser. It's gonna have your cup rinser. All that's gonna be all built into one here. Now, as we look down, which you don't see very often in an RV, you're gonna see our GE profile dishwasher. I mean, how cool is that, right? All right, now let's make our way up to bedroom number 3. Again, this is one of the only floor plans in the industry with 3 bedrooms. And like I said earlier, this is one of my favorite areas. As you get into this area, there's tons of space in this bedroom. You know, usually you get in your RV, it's gonna be a little tight space between the dresser. Here, guys, you've got 3.5, 4 feet. Along with that, a king bed with a king bed tilt. Lots of people love that, and that, again, is gonna give us that extra space. Storage is king, right? We've got storage underneath the bed that you typically don't see in an RV. Along with that, you're gonna have 2 large drawers here, and you're gonna have another 5 drawers over here. So there is no shortage in drawer space along with this unit. And to top it all off, we've got hidden space underneath of our dresser top. Now, as all people are always asking, what about my CPAP? We are CPAP prepped on this unit. You're gonna have plugins on both sides of the walls, a little space to take your CPAP machine and set it on the floor. And then along with that, you're gonna have these flip up cup holders, which is a nice little feature. Our closet, of course, is gonna be washer and dryer prepped. Lots of hanging space in this. As you can see, it is a very big closet, and it's gonna have the capability of stackables or an all-in-one washer in this thing. As we work our way around, we're gonna get to the bathroom. In the bathroom, it gets very residential, almost as residential as it gets. You're gonna see solid surface countertops in here. You're gonna see this massive porcelain sink. Guys, this isn't a tiny RV sink. This is what you guys see at home. That's what we wanna have and provide to you in our 3X product line. Moving into the shower, as you guys can see, it's gonna be a big shower. If I walk in here, there's plenty of room. You're gonna have your teak seat, which is available. Along with that, you're gonna have your shower tower, and of course your spray hose for a bunch of different versatility with that. Moving along, you'll see lots of drawers, lots of cabinet space, and lots of little features in this bathroom that come pre-prepped. You're gonna have places to hang your towels. You're gonna have little hooks over here, and you're gonna have hand towel holders, something that you typically don't see in a lot of guys' RVs. Thanks again for touring our 393 open range. For more on this floor plan, check us out on our website.